favorite kasi yan yung alam natin lutuin. So, may sugar na yan. So, we have chicken, sibuyas and bawang, sitaw, repolyo, and our saging. So, sana magustuhan ni Pops ang ating lunch for today. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.